Ladies and gentlemen, this is Jessup, Georgia. Once again, at this time we are passing through Jessup, Georgia.
Part 1 ended at this point, and now we start Part 2. And our train status?
And we are on time, on schedule.
If you missed Part 1, it's the same title and covers the area from Sanford to Jessup. We're about 45 miles south of Savannah. By the time we get there will be no light for photography.
Marker on the rear.
There are no station stops along the way since everybody is traveling to Lorton. Around midnight, we will be stopping in Florence, South Carolina to fuel the engines, take care of any maintenance issues if there are any. A new train service crew takes over. The passenger service personnel remain on board for the entire trip. It's sunrise in Southern Virginia, and we are facing west. Should have some good lighting for photography.
Defect detector north, milepost 3.7. No defects. No defects. Total axle 160. End of transmission.
5211, locomotive Amtrak 832, northbound main track, 322 is approach limited and no defects to cars.
Approach limited 322, no Ds on the 52.
Yes, we are about to enter Collier Yard, south of Petersburg. But before we do, here's a preview of what's to come. Note the NS line west of Petersburg that splits in two. We see the bottom half, the top half we missed that runs along the river. As we approach the James River in Richmond, we'll cross over the X Southern, then the river itself, and then we cross over the CNO. Heading north, we run adjacent to Interstate 195, make a turn to the east. When we make our turn to the north, we'll be on the X Richmond, Fredericksburg, and Potomac.
Alright, thank you guys, appreciate it. I'll let you know something here in just a little bit. Going to 138, due north at Appomattox, approaching. X-ray field 52, locomotive rate 32.
Backyard yard is on the east side, the other side of the train. We'll catch it on the way back.
Yes, you can. Right. Right.
Back to the 390. Did you can acknowledge it again? So move them back behind the patrol car. Has a approach here. Langford, South Ashland. Thank you there, Miss Marshall. There it is.
It took a good deal of effort to find out where this little station is located, but a satellite view nailed it. We go by it really fast, so here it is again in slow motion. Oh, look, a shoving platform. I almost said caboose there. Fredericksburg.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Quantico, Virginia, the Marine Corps FBI Training Center, and we are passing right through the middle of the base. We are running a little bit behind, looks like about 9:30 arrival, so should be there around about 9:30. Thank you and good morning.
There are so many of these water crossings they're difficult to identify, so I didn't. Please excuse the sounds, that's just me taking stills. As you saw moments ago when we crossed over that highway, I-95 is right next to the AutoTrain terminal. GPS says we make a right, followed by another sharp right. But it doesn't tell you, you gotta drive like the natives. And I'm just trying to keep up with the rest of the traffic. With the AutoTrain, you've got your own car, and when you reach your destination, you've got everything in it.